Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to add new apps to our home screen automatically when they are installed or downloaded. Right now, when we install our applications, they appear in this menu. But we can turn on option so that our application will appear on our home screen automatically. So where to find it? Settings, then home screen, and here we have add new apps to home screen. And that's it. Now our freshly installed applications will automatically appear on our home screen. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.